What's up guys, Vic Vengeance here. Welcome back to yet another vlog. And yes, we're doing more car stuff today. And not just any car, my car. And if you still don't know what it is, I might finally put my bumper back on. After I don't know how long it's been. I lost track of time of how long I've been driving without a bumper, but it's been a cool minute. I'm gonna work on a bumper. And so basically, some of the big reasons as to why I haven't put the bumper on is one, it's not painted. It's just regular primer. I don't think even primer. It's just how it comes from the factory, right? Two, the mesh that it comes with, it's like that chicken wire metal looking thing. It's fucking hideous. I don't like it. So before I put the bumper on, I want to change that mesh and put that OEM style looking one more. I don't know. You'll see. Three, since I got rid of the fog lights on my car, I bought these other ones that are LED, and so we're gonna tap into the current wiring and set those up. So I really want to make this bumper and this whole front end look a little bit more different than your everyday G37. So that's what we're doing today. All right guys, so this is how she currently sits. No front end, just naked as fuck. This is the before. Still got those retrofitted lights. So yeah, we're gonna try to slap on the bumper. So basically, what you gotta do to fit these lights, so you're gonna have to splice into the current connection for the fog lights. These ones right here. So obviously, you just gotta color match red with the blue and black with the black, and you'll be straight. So we're just gonna wire it up, and once I do that, I'm gonna do the other side. Then we're gonna start working on the bumper, and then we'll go from there. All right, guys. So just mocked it up right there to show you that it works after it's wired up. Check it out. So I have them wired up to the fog lights, that way I can turn them off and on with a switch inside the car, so it'll be easier. Alright guys, there it is. They're both installed right here and over there. Very nice. Looks pretty good. Can't wait to slap them on. Look at that. Well, they're already on, but I'm on the bumper. Looks good. They're simple. So let's do the bumper now. Alright guys, so here is the bumper I'm putting on. It's not OEM, it's actually a Liberty Walk replica by VIS. So first what I'm gonna do is replace this mesh, this chicken wire looking shit. I don't like it at all. I'll be using this style instead. It's better in my opinion, looks more OEM. Voila. I mean, I can trim off, the X's, but you can't even see it. So honestly, I don't think it really matters. But it's on there. Look at that. That's just not going anywhere. Check it out, guys. Damn. Much better in my opinion, of course. I feel like it looks more OEM with this style mesh as opposed to that ugly ass chicken wire looking shit. Look that. It's very simple to do. So the holes on the bumper, they're a little too small, so I have to customize and modify and make them a little bit bigger. And same thing for the one for the tab right here, and same for the screw. So everything is aligned, everything is nice and tight. Same thing over here, beautiful. And I think the bumper is ready to go on. Just gotta drill a hole. That one already has a hole. I gotta drill a hole over here, the holes, and hopefully everything goes smooth as butter. There she is, guys. Finished product. What do you guys think? What do you guys think of the lights? One of those fucking LEDs are already burnt out. Son of a bitch. But what do you guys think? Check it out. Look at that. It's cool or not? I think it was pretty badass. I like the little LEDs I put at the bottom. I dig it. I dig it. Very nice. But I think it's pretty sick. I like it. Very nice. Very nice. Alright guys, that is it for this vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Honestly, this bumper was a fucking bitch to put on. All the stuff that I put and I use, I'll put links in the description box below for you guys to check out if it's something you're interested in. An aftermarket bumper, you're gonna put it yourself. Expect to do some modification because it does not line up, especially if you have hot garbage fenders, then it's gonna be hard. Aside from that, I think it looks pretty badass. It's not put on 100% yet. There's some gaps here and there that I need to fine tune. But aside from that, I mean, it looks better than not having a bumper. So that is it for me, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Make sure you guys hit the like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Later, guys.